Now, you asked him if he'd been drinking at that point,
Yes.
and he told you he hadn't.
Correct. Yes.
You asked him for his documents.
Yes.
Now, you've been trained to watch as a person provides their documents for indicators of impairment, right?
Yes.
You're also keeping your eyes very closely on his hands because he's reaching around his car for documents. You want to make sure he's not reaching for a weapon.
Yes.
And not just him, but anybody you stop,
Yes.
right? Mm-hmm. So you asked him for his documents, and he provided you his driver's license.
Yes.
Okay. After he provided you his driver's license, you asked him for his driver's license, registration, and insurance again, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay. You're trained that when he's looking for his documents, if he forgets what he's looking for or what he's already given you, that's an indicator of impairment.
Yes.
Okay. Is it an indicator of impairment if you forget what you're holding in your hand that he's already given you?
No.
So as you're watching his hands, you notice him produce his license. Did he have any problem at all taking his license out?
I don't recall that exactly.
Okay. You wrote a report in this case, right?
Yes.
You put all the true, accurate, relevant, important details in that report?
That I can recall, yes, sir.
Okay. Would looking at your report help refresh your recollection as to if he had any problems finding his documents?
No.
It wouldn't.
No.
Why not?
Because I don't remember exactly, so I didn't put it in there.
You didn't put it in there? Is that what
I
you said?
know, I read my report before, so I know there's nothing in there stating that he had a problem producing it.
Well, didn't you already tell us that you would have put important details
Yes.
in your report?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wouldn't it be important if he had a problem producing those documents?
Yes.
Okay. So if he had a problem producing those documents, you would have put it in your report?
I should have, yes.
Okay. You didn't?
That I can recall.
Okay. Well, again, would
Like I
looking
said,
at the report help you
correct.
remember if you put it in there?
Yes.
Judge, may I approach the witness?
Any objection?
No, Your
You've
Honor.
seen this? Okay.
Seen it, Your Honor.
You may approach.
Thank you. I am handing you a document. Would you look at that document?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell us what that document is?
It's my original offense report.
Okay. You wrote that document?
Yes.
You wrote it on the evening of this arrest?
Yes.
Okay. Would you read that document to yourself? After you've had a chance to review it, would you look up and let me know that you're done? Have you had a chance to review your report?
Yeah.
Having reviewed your report, is your recollection now refreshed?
Yes.
Okay. Did you put anywhere in your report had any difficulty at all providing you any of the documents you asked for on the night you arrested him?
He did not.
So he was able to find his license,
Yes.
take it out, right?
Yes.
He didn't drop it,
No.
didn't fumble with it,
No.
handed it to you,
Yes.
handed it to you appropriately, and what I mean by that is if you're here, he didn't put it over there,
Yes.
right?
Correct.
Okay. So he normally produced his documents to you.
Yes.
And he looked for and found his registration after he gave you his driver's license.
Yes.
And he normally produced that to you too.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. He didn't have his insurance with him.
He did not.
Okay. Told you he could find it on his phone then.
Yes.
Okay. Is that common that people have their insurance on their phone now?
It's a lot of people ask if they can look it up, so I just give them the opportunity, save them some hassle.
Okay. And he began to look for it on his phone.
Yes.
Okay. And then you asked him to shut off his car.
Yes.
And again, you watch his hands while you're there, right? To make sure he doesn't reach for a weapon.
Yes.
So you watched his hands as he shut off the car.
Yes.
Did he have any problems at all manipulating the ignition switch or the keys?
No.
Okay. Shut the car off normally.
Yes.